out to Turkey Red Run. Gonna go meet up with some cars, kind of in the opposite direction, and then cruise to Daytona with them. So hopefully, I pretty much can't find any of my cameras. I guess I left them all in the shop. So we're just gonna make do with the iPhone, and hopefully we can maybe find someone to hold it. But yeah, let's roll on down there. All right, we got some pure power E85. I think it's just regular pump, just good pump. Get some E85 in here, get some loaded in the jug. What's up, guys? Got the Pro-Charged Beast. Looks killer. We got Don's 2021 carbon fiber track pack GT500. Man, both of these are on pump gas, guys. Guys, what's going on with you guys?
Damn, I'm talking some smack to Lowe's.
Where's your corn?
My corn?
Come on, at least throw some 100 in it.
I got no corn.
Look, we got 100 at the pump. We got some E85 at the pump. Look at El Chapo. What a beast. All right, so it's like a scene out of the Fast and Furious. Pull into his driveway. Blake's Mach 1, his dad's Cobra. This was the one that raced the Coyote swap Cobra. This Sonic Blue Terminator, GT500, Supra. It's a bunch of cool cars out here. Nice Fox. Got the Corvette. This thing looks pretty wild. Coyote swapped Fox body. It's the way to go. Looks like another project going on there. Pretty cool shop.
slow, bro.
No, I think it did something to it.
All right, here we go. Take the Supra! Supra! 1, 2, 3!
Yep. Got it off? I can't hear shit.
Not a chance, no.
I think you missed a shift.
1, 2, 3!
So this is the Fox body. Pretty sweet. 750-ish wheel horsepower in a Fox. That's what I've been telling you guys. These things are fast, especially with not crazy horsepower. They'll keep up with this. But seems like you got some good runs in. That was a lot of fun. I don't know where the Supra went, but yeah, we're trying to find a place to kind of hang out and not get kicked out by cops. We'll see how that goes. Supra down there. Damn cops!
I'll jump in the Corvette, I bet. That Bucky's.
They won't let us have any fun. To Bucky's, I guess. Yeah, CarMax, basically. Oh, that's sick.
Yeah,
Badass.
you can get a picture of the underneath too. It's got
The 9-inch, right?
Yeah.
Nice overflow. I love it. Oh yeah. There's a big old turb ski. Ooh. Got some cars rolling in.